Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your BSC BEP20 address on MetaMask. First, you need to install the MetaMask wallet, available as a browser extension or mobile app. If you are a new user, create a new wallet and carefully save your secret recovery phrase in a safe, offline location. For existing users, simply import your wallet using your phrase. Once MetaMask is open, locate the network drop-down menu, usually displaying Ethereum Mainnet, at the top of your wallet interface. Click on this menu to reveal a list of networks. From there, select Add Network. You might see an option to choose from a popular list, or you can select Add a Network manually at the bottom. Now you will manually input the Binance Smart Chain details. For the network name, type BNB Smart Chain. The new RPC URL is https://bsc Binance.org/. The chain ID is 56 and the currency symbol is BNB. Finally, for the block explorer URL, use https://bscscan.com. After entering all these details, click Save to add the network. With the BNB Smart Chain now added, ensure it is selected as your active network in the drop-down menu. Your unique BEP20 address, which is the same as your public wallet address, will be prominently displayed at the very top of your MetaMask interface. Simply click on this address to automatically copy it to your clipboard, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.